Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share your favorite videos on Facebook but weren't quite sure how, don't worry. This quick guide has you covered. In just a few easy steps, you'll be able to upload and share videos with your friends, family, or the whole world. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on your home screen or your profile, depending on where you left off last time. At the top, you'll see the familiar question, "What's on your mind?" Go ahead and tap that box. This is where you'll start creating your post. Next, look for the option labeled Photo Video. Tap on it, and your phone's gallery will open up. From here, browse through your videos and choose the one you want to share. Once you've selected your video, tap Done, or the check mark to confirm your choice. Now it's time to make your post more engaging. You can add a caption to describe your video or share your thoughts about it. Think of this as your chance to tell your audience what they're about to see or why it matters to you. You can also tag friends who appear in the video or add a location if it's relevant. These little details can help your post reach more people and make it more personal. When everything looks good, take one last moment to double-check the video and your text. Then, tap Post. Facebook will start uploading your video. Depending on your internet connection and video size, this might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Once it's finished, your video will appear on your timeline, ready for others to like, comment on, and share. And that's it. Posting a video on Facebook is that simple. Now you can share your moments, memories, or creative projects with your online community in just a few taps.